Hi, babe. I have to go out this morning. Your breakfast is on the table. Enjoy yourself.
Thanks, Mom. I don't think I want breakfast now.
Huh? What happened? Are you okay? Are you feeling sick? Let me see.
No, Mom. I'm okay.
No, you're not okay. Look at yourself. You are miserable. Why?
I don't know. I just felt terrible when I woke up this morning. I'm bored and I don't know what to do with my life.
You don't know what happened to you, but I do know.
Really? What is that?
Your loneliness.
Lonely? Yeah. I do feel a little bit lonely. I think it is killing me.
Okay, now we know the problem. It's easy to fix it. Let me help you.
But Mom, I thought you had to go.
Not anymore. Nothing is more important than my little daughter. And these are just some of my yoga offline meetings. I can come later just after I can help with your issue.
Oh, thanks, Mom. You're the best mom ever in the world.
You can say that again. Okay, let's see. When was the last time you were in a relationship?
I don't remember exactly. Maybe 2 or 3 years ago.
What? That's a long time. How could you let it happen to you like that?
Well, I was in a toxic relationship and it hurts me so much and I got over it.
Oh my goodness, my poor girl. Tell me about it.
I don't know where to start.
How did you meet that man?
We met each other at a university. He was 3 years older than me. At that time, he was about to graduate, and I was a fresher. We studied in the same field. At first, he helped me a lot, which made me feel fluttery.
Do you know him well before you decided to date him?
Actually, I was the one who fell in love with him first. I did everything I could to get his attention. Finally, he was mine. After that, everything did not turn out very well. I found out more facts about that man. I was kind of scared of him, honestly.
Yeah, I think you guys were not matched up.
Yes, he was kind of controlling me. He asked me to tell him where I was and who I was with. And he even bunched another guy who was just sitting in front of me in the canteen.
Oh my goodness, that was terrible. Why didn't you say anything to me?
It was my nightmare. I did not say anything to anybody. Even you are my best friend. I was suffering from my ex-boyfriend a lot.
Okay, now you can talk about it. I think you are okay already.
Yeah, it was a long time ago. I stopped thinking about him.
So, are you ready for a new guy to step into your life?
I think I do. I want to challenge myself in a new romance.
Good. Tell me about your ideal lover. Do you have any pictures in your mind?
Yeah, I want to date a mature man who is older than me, maybe 15 or 20 years old.
What? Really? That's too old, babe.
Yep, mommy, I know, but I had enough of the immature man. It drives me crazy. I want a man that I can rely on. I want to be taken care of. And the most important thing is that he has to be financially stable.
All right. How about the appearance?
It does not matter much, but I prefer the one who is tall and fit. I'm not into that fat and short ones. I want my man to be the one who cares about his health conditions. So I would like him to go to the gym 3 or 4 times a week. A balanced diet also needs to be considered.
How about his occupations?
I think I want to date a knowledgeable person. So my boyfriend will work in any manual labor field. A doctor, a teacher, a businessman, or an engineer.
That makes sense. Have you ever thought of a man at that age with money and a job could be married or already divorced?
No problem, Mom, as long as he is finished with his old relationship. I don't mind a man who breaks up with his wife once or twice. He would learn a lesson, so he would know what to do to love me in the right way. Nobody is perfect, Mom.
How about his children?
I can take care of them if he wants to. Those are my man's children. If he loved them, then I would love them too.
I don't know what changed you so much. Did any of your friends date that kind of man?
No, I am open-minded. A good person deserves happiness no matter how old he is, and he deserves to have me as well.
I am kind of confused right now. That is shocking a little bit.
I'm sure you say that. But it is okay. You will need time to accept it. I can wait.
As a great mommy of yours, I accept everything you want, babe.
The point is your feeling. If you feel it's right, then just go for it.
But anyway, I hope you will meet a better person.
Mom, can I tell you something?
Sure, tell me whatever you want.
Actually, I met someone already.
What? You met someone? Does mean you are dating right now?
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry that I did not tell you earlier. Because I was afraid that you wouldn't accept our love. I don't want to lose my love for life, and I also want your support.
Okay, I told you. I've got your back. Do I know your new boyfriend?
Yes, Mommy.
Oh my, who is that?
Will you promise that you won't get mad at me if I reveal his name?
I promise. Why would I be mad at you? That's weird.
That is Tim. I'm in love with Tim.
Tim who?
Tim Burton.
What? Oh my gosh. Are you insane? That was my ex. What the heck are you thinking?
Mom, you promised you wouldn't be mad at me.
How do you expect me to react?
I knew you'd do something like that. You always said you would support me and I can trust you. But when I said something to you, you disappointed me. That is the reason why I never talk about my boyfriends with you.
You can't blame it on me. He was around the age of your dad, and he also dated me.
But that's were a long time ago, Mom. I don't care what you guys used to have with each other. I just care that I love him and he does love me back. That's all.
Okay, you know what? Break up with him now.
No, why? You don't understand me. I hate you.
Good. If you date him, you are no longer my daughter.
Well, you will not see me again. I will move out. I will move to Tim's house. That's the thing that I have wanted for a long time. Thanks for giving me a reason.
Goodbye, Grace. You are hurting me.